In this video, we're going to learn how to manage our hub. Let's take a look at the hub panel. We will enter the details and log in. The first section we encounter is Accounts. Here, the name, email address, and phone number of the person managing the hub are displayed. Moving on to the Drivers section, we have Jason DeMello and Jason Bourne as drivers. In this particular hub, vehicles named Tata Nexon and Toyota have been assigned to 2 drivers. Hub owners can view details such as the driver's phone numbers and email addresses. Moving on to the Manage Vehicle section, users can see details such as the service type, vehicle name, plate number, model, year, color, and any special accessibilities. Hub owners can also review the history of the vehicles, noting that this vehicle was assigned to MotoHub by Smith Admin and later picked up by Jason DeMello. Additionally, we can track the exact time the vehicle was picked up by the driver. And that's how the hub panel allows hub owners to manage all vehicles and drivers.